guys ever eaten potato omelet? Hello my good people, this is your girl Miss T back again with another banger video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to cook a potato omelet, or what is famously known as Zege back in Tanzania. So this is basically chips with eggs combined together to form an omelet. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. Wewe bwana, tunaenda pika chakula tamu sana in a very short process. Kwanza hapo unaona hizo ingredients zetu, kuna potatoes, mayai, and of course oil, since we are going to fry the chipo. Okay, so you heat the oil until the oil has started making bubbles. Then I am just adding a piece of rosemary to aromatize the oil. Then you add your potatoes and basically fry the potatoes. Now you see me putting the spoon in there and making sure the potato is dipped in the oil proper kapsa. Then fry the chipo until the chipo is crunchy and cooked and ready. Just because you are in a pinch doesn't mean you shouldn't eat good. So if you see this process is going to be a bit hard for you, you can just buy chipo, manze. You can buy chipo from out here. Chipo 50 bob is enough. I just went through the extra process to show you guys how to start basically frying chipo. Just fry chipo, manze. Fry chipo. So I'm starting with the basic one, but this Zege can also be added some few things here and there later on. When you guys become pro, I'll show you how to add a little bit of onions and carrots in the Zege mixture to make it even better than it is right now. I'm not saying it's not right. See there, my chipo is well fried there. So I'm adding some salt in the eggs, and I'm going to beat the eggs. I'm not going to add oil in this pan, the pan that has chipo, because the chips were still had oil. I didn't drain it completely. So I'm just going to beat my eggs so the salt can go through. Yes. Beat until the yolk and the white is all mixed up. And then put that oil in that chipo. Very quick, simple, delicious way. Then spread the eggs around. Make sure all the chips is coated with eggs. Spread. Make sure all over is coated like that, like so. Wow, see there, that thing already looks delicious. Going to start moving around so the chipo doesn't hold on the pan, and it's almost time to flip. When you see the eggs have started almost drying completely on the top, it means it's time to flip. You don't want the eggs to dry completely, to cook completely before you flip, because the other side is also supposed to be coated with eggs. So that's what I'm doing, removing the edges where it has started to stick. Remove the edges. When I grow up, I will buy a non-stick pan. When I grow up. Is ready to flip. That's what I'm doing. Yes. Flip. Now we're going to put it well in the pan and squeeze it in for a bit so it can cook through the middle. Give it a little bit more time get the same goldenness on the other side. So give it a few minutes. See what I mean when I told you I'm not going to add oil? If I had added oil, it would have become too oily. See the way my spoon already has some oil just from flipping the omelette. Yeah. So don't add oil. Don't add oil. That oil that you have finished draining the chip oil, that one that remains is okay. It's fine. It's good to go. And my chip oil, voila. See guys, see that sweetness, yumminess. You don't have to just eat chipo. Be creative, do something about it. Subscribe.